If you continue down this path, I won't always be there to save you. You know that, right?
Maddox Hatter, you know you can't save me. I'm a prisoner of Wonderland. I'm a lost cause.
You are not a lost cause. As your tutor, I'm in charge of preparing you for your future. And as your friend, I want you to have one.
What future, Mads? I literally have the most controlling mom ever. She's never gonna let me leave Wonderland.
I know it hasn't been easy, growing up with a mother that's so particular, but she wasn't always this way. It's true. We're all products of our past, and your mother's was certainly unfortunate.
She just wants to turn me into the next evil queen like her. And I don't want to be queen. I just want to be in charge of my own life. But what I want doesn't matter to her.
Oh, Red. I wasn't going to show you this until you were a little older, but I finished it. My time machine. It takes you to the moment in time that can give you what your heart wants most. If you really want a different life, Red, I want you to have that choice. But I should warn you, when you alter the fabric of time, there can be some unpredictable consequences.
I think I can live with that.
Everything could change. You could lose your mother entirely. It's too dangerous. Not yet. When you're more mature. I know you're frustrated, Red, but I'm trying to look out for you. I care about you very much.
Thanks, Mads. At least someone still does.
Oh, if the Queen finds out I'm harboring a fugitive, I'll be in some serious trouble. You best get out of here, Red.
I dare you to make me.
As you wish, Princess.
What I say about calling me princess?